Hi guys, welcome back to Only Rants, where I thought I'll be doing a podcast, but all I'm doing is vlogs. This is the first vlog of 2026. It's just a normal work week, nothing major. I'm headed to work right now. Also, today morning I got my period and I am in pain.
Welcome to Gina's vlog.
But it's subko.
Where's supper today?
We're gonna have butter chicken.
Butter chicken grilled cheese.
I'm gonna have some coffee. She's gonna have coffee. I'm too high on coffee already. I don't
Yeah.
think I should.
I think she's had enough.
Yeah.
Do I mix it or is it this foam?
Imagine
It's
like
not mixing.
75% is foam. What does that
I
mean?
don't know, it's interesting. Very strong. No, it's not that much sugar.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying. It's like
But
interesting.
I just wish why is the
Why
two
is it-
sips. We've had two sips. The glass is half of it.
Come, let's go on a hike.
Come, let's go. Bro, hike did not happen this weekend. I'm so like I prepared my entire week. No, I should not work out too much. As always, I again forgot to vlog. The entire day, it was such a hectic day. Right after Vidhi left, I had like 10,100,000 things to do. And now I've just come back home and I have to get dressed and go to the gym. बन गया खाना? हाँ बना बन भी गया? हाँ दिखाओ कैसे बना है? My mom has made palak paneer, which usually I make because I make the best after my naan. मुझको तो लग रहा है अच्छा हो. खिलाओ टेस्ट करो. आपको कुकर में इसको डालना था, इसको सब्जी में थोड़ी ना. अच्छा तो बना है. अच्छा बना है. जैसे रेसिपी बताई थी वैसे. नहीं मैं जिम जा रही हूँ आके खाऊंगी. This year I've decided to work out at least thrice a week, which I think is very doable if I just stick to it. We made it to the gym. I think this is the hardest part. Just come to the gym. And then once I'm here, I know I'll do something or the other. I'll move my body. It's currently 2 a.m. I What just happened? That was so weird. Here is my Kindle, and I'm currently reading Psychology of Money, which I had read long time back, like it was 50%. So I started to read it from the start all over again because I'd completely forgotten what I'd read. I think this is not the book that I should have picked as my first for 2026 because I've always believed in the fact that I need to pick something which is easy for me to read and more fun so that I can, stick with the habit for a longer time. So fun! I love Dubai. They're just too extra. I cannot. They're so extra. Insane. How come I've never come to this hotel? Wow, I'm at the third location of the day. I just came to DIFC to collect something from Vietnamese foodies because we're also collaborating with them. Yeah, my job is basically to run around Dubai and do fun things. Okay, so while I was waiting for the thing that I have to collect, I was just watching a few of the stories, and I hate that I'm such a bitchy person, but it's such an ick for millennials to do dick chick to some EDM music. I'm like, why? Why are you doing it? You're in 30s, like stop. And they're not looking cool, they look chapri. Stop trying to act cool and suddenly you're like, oh my god, I'm into techno, I'm into like, no, you're not. You're from the age of Kareena Kapoor and the age of being fun and like, not this. It's such an ache to just, all of these fucking Sindhi guys and all of them with their pot bellies and black glasses and weird ass clothes. I'm like, no. And even the women, I'm like, no. And then there's my generation, which is like born in 2000s to 2010, and we're into like old Bollywood Hindi music. And I'm like, yeah, we were supposed to do it, but we hate it, and you guys are being imposters. So like, stop. Yeah, I'm a hate. I am a bitchy. I'm so bitchy. But I like that I can come here and do it. These thoughts just run in my mind and I forget about it. But now that I have a camera with me, I can just bitch to you guys. 1 billion follower summit is going to be so good. I've never come here, but I think it's gonna be insane. We're taking Ellie Nelly out for a walk. Ellie, are you going for a walk? Are you going for a walk? Yes, we are. No, no, ah! I hate you listening. But Ellie, Nelly, and we're going for a walk. Let's go. Yay! Oh my god! Let's go. We're going for a walk. Completely forgot to vlog, but I came to Dubai Hills Mall because there's sale at Zara and actually everywhere else. So I came with my boyfriend to shop for him, not for myself. Um, yeah, I went home and I had a argument with mom, and I think I'm PMSing and I cried or whatever. And then I was just like, okay, fine, let's go shopping. That was the plan originally also, but I ended up fighting with him also. Let's now a shop. This is glitter one also. So if I have a girl, which I will have a girl, I'll wear the glitter one. I think she. This gold also. Stop. Is so cute. I did same. I hate Crocs, but how can I hate these teeny tiny ones? What the hell? Look at the tiny hole. Okay, I have a small hand, and it's as small as my hand. What the hell? Yes, we got new shoes. And so pretty.
You've opened like half of it already.
Yeah, I'm too excited for gifts.
Yay!
Yay! Ganpati Bappa.
Ganpati for the car.
You can stick it. So cute. It looks so cute. It actually looks so cute. Yay! By the way, this I picked what him you ordered. Him is like, I also want. I'm like, okay,
So
fine.
cute.
It is actually really cute. Nice. It actually looks really pretty.
Yeah.
ये अभी कुछ नहीं होएगा सब अच्छा
Ganpati
अच्छा
Bappa Moria.
Bro, I took this to office today because I thought you were picking me up from there. And full day I'm
I
carrying this
clocked
box. I was like, what? And then 5 people asked me, what is this? So I had to open and show it. So I've already opened it.
Yeah,
I'm like,
of
yeah,
course you already
it's this. It's the Lord Ganesha. It's the elephant god of India. I have to explain all of that to them. And what else do you
That
call
is
it?
true. I mean,
I love the leaf on the back. Like, it just looks, he has aura.
he does have it.
And also because as a Sindhi, I had to remind you, I'm a Sindhi, I had to get you something gold. I was like, how can I forget my Sindhi roots? It should remind you that it's
That's being very Sindhi.
yeah, how Sindhi can it be? So yeah, it's that.
If Jia becomes famous, we all get like one page.
Jia's already famous.
Who knows me?
Famous son.
5 people.
No.
One time I was walking with Chris. One time I was walking with Chris from Metro. Karam.
Madam, can I have your autograph?
Someone
I was the open up this It's like he shaved his entire chest hair in the face of Jia. Like, Jia,
That's so embarrassing. Chris is like in bodyguard mode that no one can do this to my pet. He's tapping like you're Gia, right? And I was so dumb back in L plus, it's my home, that I would the day I get ready and make an outfit, I posted that day only. So I'm wearing that outfit while that reel is out. So I was like, this you na, with showing me my face, this is you na. I was like, how do I say no to this? I was like, yeah.
Maybe-
And Chris goes like, don't talk to her, who are you? And I'm like, oh my god, I don't wanna. My audience is Metro audience. When they see me in Metro, they're like, what are you doing?
and they're like, damn. So you're really telling me if I reach 50K, I'll have to take the metro? Where is the limit? 500K? No. A billion?
I had hope and now I don't. They see me in Metro and they're shocked. She's metro. So I gotta save for me because I don't have money.
What do you have to say to that, Gia?
What do I have to say to that? That I'm not that rich, guys. Please let me travel by metro. Because Dubai government is not giving me license, and people are saying you can get golden visa. I'm like,
Let me get
let me get a license. I don't like the carbon footprint that I have on this planet Earth. So I want to take metro and be one of you, just like Zohran Mamdani. If he's taking the fucking tube, why can't I take metro? Famous people travel by metro.
Wow, Mayor of Dubai. Mayor of Manpur.
Aishwarya is also trying it for the first time. So like, after saying this is a must try.
Yeah, this I'm so funny. What do you? I see Marsha's face and I'm like,
It's like
It's a
sponge.
cake you have with tea, but it's tasting like corn.
Okay, hi. I got a bunch of things from Known Mall. I got a few Dove conditioners because I have to give these to my mom. Because if you remember, in my last vlog, I told you that she used these conditioners as a body butter cream. So she loves them now. She's not going to use it as that body butter cream now, but she liked the conditioner. And she's going to India soon. So I just ordered a bunch for her. And I ordered a humidifier, which is also a light, which is also an essential oil dispenser. So this I got one in lemongrass. Looks so pretty. Love it.
Hi guys, this is a reaction video of Sabko, Kakoa, Milk.
It's cocoa.
Mine is dark, 65%. What the fucks?
Yeah, because that's what you asked for.
Oh, salted was 65%.
Kakoa. Cacao.
Oh, 45%.
Smells nice.
Okay. Go for a bite. Bro, just take a bite.
Half.
Take a big bite. That's a big bite.
Obsessed with the song. जब तक है जान. Okay, so I just got done with gym and then I came down to do my 10k steps. And I was like, why not just go and get palak and finish my 10k steps? Because I want to make palak paneer tomorrow. And there's no palak at home. We walked for so long, almost it's 7 kilometers, 2 hours in that dark, unknown trail. But all we had to do is look here. And we didn't because we were scared. Who's gonna tell them? Who's gonna tell them everyone's going the wrong way? Literally everyone's going the wrong way. So it's not our problem, it's the signage. The signage is only wrong, guys. It's the wrong sign. They're fucking tripping. I don't know what are they tripping on. Oh yeah. Visit at the. Why are you in the middle of the?
Read this.
This is not even.
What joy are we getting out of it? Hey,
I think we should just wait till the sunrise. We don't have to see it from upstairs. Literally at night, we were so focused on that visit Hatta that we ended up taking a biking route and did not look here, which says the hiking route. Okay, so basically, what ended up happening is that I came back from the hike and I passed out. What's the surprise in that? Of course, I passed out. I woke up at 3. So I got back from hike, passed out, got up, and then got dressed to go to MOTB with my mother because she's leaving day after. And yeah, that's that. Today is a Sunday. It's already 10 p.m. Actually, wait, it's 11 p.m. And this was the first week of Jan 2026 for me. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.